Right now, 5 MLAs of Goa are sick, and 2 of them are ministers, Francis D'Souza and Pandurang Madkaikar. Besides, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar himself is in the USA for his treatment. Michael says Chief Minister needs to streamline the situation, but will speak publicly about it only if the Chief Minister allows him to do so, like how he had made similar demand when Lakshmikant Parsekar was the Chief Minister.
I have already spoken to him day before yesterday over the phone that right now people are waiting for answers, a lot of answers. Chief Minister is doing work sitting in the hospital, but that is in US. His presence in Goa makes a lot of difference. But also there are other portfolios with the ministers where ups and downs are there right now. The power and खूप problem आले, but then he is sick, including आमचं power minister, including म्हापसा MLA जो आमचं या हा जो याचा पोर्टफोलिओ आहे त्याच्याकडे म्युन्सिपॅलिटीचं म्युन्सिपल ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वॉट एव्हर. I think all this requires to be rethought by the Honorable Chief Minister. And in the interest of Goa, whatever needs to be done, he should do. No coming under pressure. People of Goa don't want you to come under pressure. People of Goa want you to deliver. लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकाराकडे उलयल्लो हांव आदी आनी तेजे उपरांत हांवें मत मांडलेलें की उमके मिनिस्टरांक देंवोवपाक जाय म्हणून आनी नये आमदारांक मिनिस्टर करपाक जाय. हांवें आदी मांडलेलें मत. आतां मांडिना हांव. चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन उलयता आनी तो कितें म्हणटा तें हांव पळयता आनी मागीर मत मांडटा म्हाजें.